Hey everyone, this is Kang from Big Tree Solutions, and in this video I'm going to be going over a new version of the embed. We've created this thing we call the single embed, which will allow you to embed the menus into any restaurant page, and it will be locked to this particular menu. They won't be able to move to any other restaurant. Some of the other things that we've changed on this is we made the ordering flow a little bit different. So now instead of having the date and time and the address up in the right hand corner, we made it prominent so that it's easy for your customers to see where to get started. And we have some other options that we made available. So I'm going to switch over to the RDS Logic backend and show you some of those options. So here I am in the restaurant management screen. You'll notice we have a new tab here called Single Embed, and we have two tabs underneath there called Options and Design. And within these single embed options, we have some things where we can, close the search section by default. You can hide the About Us. You can have the About Us closed. You can show the eStore links. You can add some social media links, and you can add some copy to your restaurant page. I'm just going to switch back to that menu real quick. You can see this is the default menu with a default skin from our stock template. Now if I enable some of these options in here, you can take a look to see what it does. So if I check the search section closed by default, about us section closed by default, and then show eStore link above cart, go ahead and save. Now I'm going to switch back to the menu, and I'm going to reload the page. Now you notice a couple of things have changed. Now the option to search and everything is closed up, so you have to actually click to start. This way, you can kind of have it as a call to action. The About Us section is now closed up, so you have to actually click on it to open it up, and you can close it to close it back up. You also have the eStore link here above the cart, and that's just a way for you to promote your eStore before someone checks out. So now we go back to the options. We can also paste in some copy. We can paste in some copy here that will give us some more information about our restaurant. This will show up in the About Us section. So if I go ahead and just click Save. If I go back to the menu now and I expand the About Us section, you'll see that I have some information about my restaurant here now. So you can use this to kind of give daily specials or just tell about the restaurant in general. Also your links for social media show up here if you have any. All right, another feature we've added is the ability to add CSS to your menu so that you can style it up separate from your regular site. So under the Design tab, we can actually paste in CSS to add things like a background color or logos, or change the text and menu colors. So what it is, I pasted in some CSS I created for the menu, which basically just adds a gradient background color, a logo to the top of the page, and a logo for the eStore. So I'm going to go ahead and save that. I'm going to switch over to the menu, and I'm going to refresh. And you'll see now that the menu has a different color background, and a logo for the eStore, a logo for the entire site. All your options are still set here. And the great thing about this is now you can send this menu to your restaurant, have them embed it, and have it match and blend with their existing site, rather than being your specific colors. And the great thing about this is that it only affects the single embed that you're working on. So if I switch over to a different embed site, you'll see that it's still the normal colors, the regular options. So basically every menu now has its own set of options for what you want to display, and its own separate options for design. Hopefully this new feature will be something that can be useful for people who are adding restaurants to their service with, who don't already have a website. We'll be rolling this feature out sometime in the near future. If you have any questions, please contact us at support@bigtreesolutions.com. Thanks.